What's up, YouTube? Man, my eye looks crazy because that thing's fogged up. There we go. How about that? So, you look back there. That's a tripod and a Mustang. So, motor, took it apart, got it cleaned up. Turned out that motor was basically brand new inside. Huge shout out to Zane. Thank you so much for helping me. We did basically a full gasket kit, like head gaskets. We did head gaskets, intakes, like everything in 2 hours in the bed of his truck. And I'll try to put in a picture of that right here. And yeah, so thanks a lot for being my buddy, for helping me out. I couldn't have done it without you. So what we're doing today is something that I've been trying to do for like a month now and haven't been able to have the time or the weather to cooperate to do it. There's a cross member going under this Mustang like right now. Yes, that is a 90 amp flux core welder. No, I am not finish welding this cross member in with that welder. All I'm doing is tacking this in so it's where it needs to be, what it needs to do, and then I'm going to actually go to the shop and use a big welder and do that. There's also been a whole lot of parts that I've picked up in the last couple of weeks. I can't work on the car, so spend money on the car. There you go, that makes sense. But so check these out. Again, huge shout out to Zane. These are some Mickey Thompson Sportsman 29 by 1550s, and I had them both on the car. They're a little ridiculous, but I love it. I actually bought a 9-inch for this car. It's going to get narrowed possibly today. I'm going to actually tuck those way up into here. I'm having to replace all of this anyway, so I'm going to take that opportunity to make the back half, get it in there, get the 9-inch narrowed, put it in there, get it all together, and yeah. So that's held in. I had to cut out the floor because apparently it dips down right there on both sides, which it's rotten anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But it's clamped in, it's level, it's right, it's where it needs to be. So the next thing on the list is to go ahead, get under there, tack it in. Some of you said you wish you saw me work on the car a little more, or work on cars a little more, even though it's super hard to film and to do this. Where in the world did I put my glasses? Oh, they're up there. Okay, so I'm gonna put you on a tripod, and I'll probably end up time-lapsing this whole thing, but let's work on the car. So it's tacked in. It's not pretty at all, but it's there. I can go back with the big welder and I can actually turn it up high enough to burn over the flux core and like sink it all in. So that's not a big deal, but it's there. Let's turn it around, kind of give you an idea. So there's your outward bars. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good. I have somewhere to start from now. I can build my up bars. I'm very happy right now, because that's a huge step. And then I'll go right outside of those. So this one's right here. Probably come over right in there. That'll be my ladder bar right there. It's gonna be nice. So I guess that's kind of gonna be it for this video. It's gonna be a ton of editing and stuff, putting it all together, but either way, it's coming along, so that's good. But I'm gonna get off here, try to get some things together for tomorrow. To anybody and everybody that watches this, happy 4th of July. Don't let anybody tell you that America's not great. You know, white, black, Democrat, Republican, whatever. Anybody can do anything they put their mind to. You know, you're your own. You are the driver of your own destiny. So quit making excuses and just do it. You know, everybody's told me, crush this car, crush this car, crush this car. No, I want to do it, so I'm doing it. Is it dumb? Probably, but it's on me. This is my dream, my hot rod. So it's gonna happen. So either way, thank you for watching. You know, like, comment, subscribe, whatever, and we'll see you in the next one.